A man 50 years old has 8 sons born of equal intervals. The sum of the ages of the father and son is 186. What is the age of the eldest son if the youngest is 3 years old? Now, let's assume the equal interval to be x. So, the youngest son is 3 years old. The next son will be 3 plus x, and as it is an equal interval, we'll go on adding these. We are increasing 1x at a time. So as there are 8 sons, we will go on until 7x. So you can count now. This is the first son, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Now the sum of the ages of father and son is 186. Father's age is 50, so plus 50 is equal to 186. Now we want to find out the age of the eldest son. That means we want to find out 3 plus 7x. To find 3 plus 7x, we'll have to find the value of x. So let's solve this equation. We have here 3 8 times, so that becomes 24 plus x we have from 1 till 7. So that will be 28x plus 50 is equal to 186. So 28x is equal to 186 minus 50 minus 24. That would be your equation. So let's solve this. 28x is equal to 186 minus 50, that becomes 136, and 136 minus 24, that becomes 112. So therefore x becomes 4. Now we want to find the age of the eldest son, so therefore it becomes 3 plus 7 into 4, that is 28. So answer will be 31.